If there's no hospitality, just get out of town. You can be light on formality and say you got no obligations, nothing holding you down.
Cheesy, 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 cheesy,
They call him Hermit the Frog. He's looking for a dog.
Marshkit paced around the nursery, bored as heck. He didn't want to play with his littermate, she was so boring, but he also didn't want to ask anyone else. What if I seem weak? I don't want them to think that. I'm not weak, he thought, grumbling. He also didn't want to sleep. I don't need sleepy. I'm not even tired. He sighed, flopping down in his nest. He wouldn't sleep, but since he had nothing better to do, he decided to just lay there and stare at the ground next to his sister. Marshkit hated laying there with nothing to do, so he got up once more and walked over to the corner of the nursery where a stone he had collected days before lay. He ran his paw along it, feeling a sense of pleasure at the stone's smoothness. He picked it up and went back to his littermate. Hey, Autumnkit, wanna practice spotting things? I can hide my stone and you can find it, then vice versa. What do you think? Sure, said Autumnkit while going to stand up. Alrighty, this is what you're looking for. He showed his littermate the small, smooth gray stone. I can hide it anywhere in the nursery. While I hide it, you keep your eyes shut, and no peeking. Any questions? If not, I'll go hide it.
I'm a creeper, my frost grim reaper, blowing up blocks like Al Qaeda. I'm not a creature that'll eat you, but I'll leave you petrified.
Surfacing beneath my lace, a game of cards went on for days. Escalated, fuck disease, they fallen to their knees.
Oh no, I don't understand this.
Baby hotline, please hold.
She's the smoke, she's dancing fancy pirouettes. Do you wanna come to a party? My friends pick me up in a truck at 11:30.
Well, they encourage your complete cooperation.
I go hungry every night, not this time around. I'm gonna eat you, I'm gonna eat you.
Love, rain, heart control.
yourself, surrender your mind. Right now you're mine.